Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Oneplus Nord N100 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, take out the back cover and remove 5 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, take out the lens from the frame. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the lens. There are few different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame. I would recommend you to go with the camera lens with the frame, which is closer to the lens only price. Select the required part and place a new camera lens with the frame to the body by adding 5 screws. Finally, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos.